How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can record Valorant clips using the insight.gg capture. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the Insights GG application, because most likely the application will not be automatically detected. So the first thing that we need to do is to just head over to the recordings options. It's going to be under settings, recording, and then you want to set your hotkey right here. You can also set the duration of your clip. Now you can also highlight or record your entire gameplay if you want to. Now after setting up your recording setting, click the game setting option, which is going to be the plus icon, and from here you can then search for Valorant. Click Valorant, able to basically detect the application right here, and then you have the ability to select which type of recording you want to apply. So in my case, I'm going to do something like the clips mode, which enables me to press F6 to clip the last 30 seconds. Basically, from here, you could do the same thing where you can adjust your hotkey. And so the only thing left to do now is to head back to Valorant. So from here, let's just go ahead and press F6 on our keyboard. Unfortunately, my keyboard doesn't have F6, so I have to manually press this option right here. Let's just click on it, and then it will say clipped. And then if we head back to our Insights GG application, so let's just click on Insights, and then we'll be able to see it right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.